Good morning. You see this? Stained. It's from the turmeric from my face.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Portia. If you have not been here before, thank you for being here. In today's video, I'll be using UniQurl to do a wash and go. So yeah, I will catch you guys in between all these videos to talk in and out about how I like the product, how it's working for me, so on and so forth. Yeah, and that is it. So in between the videos, you will hear me speaking about it. I'm not going to talk you guys' head off on a voiceover or anything like that. I just want you guys to get my first reaction when I first put the product on. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember to give it a big thumbs up and drop some comments for me, and I will see you guys next time in my next hair update video.
And we're going to use a generous amount, especially for the back of my head, because this part of my hair is the driest part of my hair, which I don't understand how when it get just as much moisture, but it's also a different curl pattern. So we shall see. Like that in there. Honey. And this is a 3-row comb. Okay, I don't even have to shingle.
No, go find some shorts or something. It's hot outside and I is Scott. And I'm not playing with you. You got some shorts in here somewhere. These purple shorts over here. Go find a shirt. And you better stop being so loud. I said it was hot. What? What did I just say 2 seconds ago? There's some shorts right here. Right here. On my bed. Lift the shirt. Go get some shorts. Get the shorts. And go find a shirt to match some shorts. find something else. Anaya, why are you so loud? You can speak without being so loud. Umbrella. Start with you. Umbrella start with
Anaya, be quiet. Okay, it start with a U.
Umbrella start with a duck. I don't know what's funny. Well, tickets. Maybe my papa should bring me to Chuck E. Cheese.
Be quiet. Okay. Sorry, you guys. This side is drying and this side is wet, so I'm gonna go get dressed and then I'll be back to show you my final results. Do a little fluffing, just put a little edge control on my edges, and I will let you guys know what I think about this product. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I'm in my car because I had to go. So yeah, this part is crazy looking because I guess I added too much, but my hair is hard and I had really high hopes that it wouldn't get hard, but it's very, very hard. I mean, the curls, if you guys can see them, they popping and all, but my hair is hard and that just sucks. You see, like, that's why this is so down, because it's hard, like, it's crunchy and my hair's still a little wet, but maybe it'll loosen up over a couple of days. I hope it does. If not, it's whatever. I'm mad because, like, I really, really, really wanted to use this product and love it. I mean, I love that it made my curls cute and all, but I don't like the fact that my hair is hard, and I'm gonna have to do something with this piece because it's just way too long or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and give you guys an update in a day and see if my hair like stopped being so hard or if it just stayed hard. I will let you guys know. In the meantime, I like the product. I gotta try it. I'll try it again. I don't know, maybe on a twist out or something, and see if I really like the product. I like it because it makes my curls pop, but I don't like it because it made my hair hard, if that makes sense. So yeah, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my either an update on this hair in a couple days or in my next update hair video. Okay, peace. Hi you guys, so remember yesterday that I said that I was gonna come back and see if my hair softened up? Well, it didn't. Damn! So don't get me wrong, this right here got my curls like popping, right? But you see the the reason why this side is up here and this side is not is because this side hasn't, like, this side I rake my hands through this side of my hair. This side is a little bit softer than this side, but it's still very hard. I'm gonna show you so you guys don't think that I'm lying. I could not put this in a ponytail if I wanted to. Don't get me wrong, I like the product that because it made my curls really, really super defined. It was a good wash and go, but I don't like hard hair, like hard. And I'm gonna show you with this side what I mean. So this one,
has been raked out a little bit with my hands, but it's still like I would not be able to just run my hands through my hair because, ouch, it's still hard. This side, I'm going to show you how hard it is because you're not going to believe me unless you see it. So I'm going to take this piece of hair and I'm going to split it apart because it's, yeah, so I'm going to show you. And really, the front part is, this part was really my problem. I mean, it's hard back here. Don't get me wrong. It is hard. But this is what I mean when I say it's hard. Like, and then there's no, like, normally both sides are even because my hair is even, but this side just didn't even curl up. Like, it's just like, so yeah, this is actually second day hair. I sprayed a little water on it, but it actually is, I'm going to wash my hair because it's actually pulling, like, it hurts. So I'm going to just wash my hair. I will probably try this product again, maybe use a little less or something, maybe make my hair wetter, but for right now, y'all, I don't know, maybe it's just my hair. If you've tried this product and it didn't make your hair hard, tell me what you did, because I was looking forward to this product. It took me a whole 2 months to order it because I was skeptical. So then I ordered it, and then I'm like, okay, when it first went on. And then now I'm just like, I need to wash my hair. So for, ow, like when I pull it back like this, like these pieces that have like, it hurts, like it's stuck. But yeah, so that's why I have to wash my hair. So yeah, just let me know if you guys try it out. If you do, drop pictures below or something so I can see, or send them to my inbox on Instagram, which you can find on the screen, or at the end of this video you will also see my Instagram, or at the beginning of this video you will see my Instagram. Send me pictures, let me know what you guys think of the product. So maybe it's just me, maybe it's not just me, but this product made my hair hard. Curls popping, product made my hair hard. So yeah, I will catch you guys in my next hair update video with another new product that I also want to try out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.